Exercise 3.16, it's the seventh question. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. It's the second sum. First row x plus y 2, second row 5 plus z xy equal to within bracket. First row 6 row, second row 5 8 close the bracket. That sum also is a corresponding, is a order, same order pairs are given. That first one is a 2 by 2, the second also 2 by 2. So then corresponding elements are equal. So first one is a corresponding element x plus y equal to, that corresponding elements equal to 6. We mentioned the first equation. Next one is a corresponding element 2, that this corresponding elements also equal. The next one is a 5 plus z equal to, corresponding elements equal to 5. The next one is the third one is a xy equal to, corresponding elements equal to 8. What is the second equation? So directly you find out the z value. 5 plus z equal to 5. Therefore z equal to is a plus 5 change into right hand side. So 5 minus 5. Therefore z equal to 0. So directly find out the z value. The next one, solve the values of x and y. You take the equation for 1 and 2. So first equation is x plus y equal to 6. And then second equation is a xy equal to 8. So first you take the first equation, x plus y equal to 6. Any one variable term we change into right hand side, x or y, any one term. So y is a change into right hand side. For x equal to 6 is a plus y change into minus y. That one you mentioned the equation for third one. This value, so substitute in second equation. Substitute in second equation. So xy equal to 8. X value substitute for 6 minus y. So two variable terms are given. So within bracket only mention the value. 6 minus y into is a y value, y only mention equal to 8. Then both the term for multiple by y only. 6 into y is a 6y. Is a only one minus sign only given, is a minus. Y into y equal to y square equal to 8. And both the term change into right hand side, is a plus change into minus, minus change into plus. So minus y square change into plus y square, and this plus 6y change into minus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. So that one is a quadratic equation are given. You find out the value of the y value. So the product term is, if factorize method only you find out the value. The product value is 8 and then given the middle value is minus 6. Which table further find out for the value is a product term is a 8. In which of the terms are given for the 8? Is a one table itself, right? 1 8s are 8 and then 2 4s are 8 and then again 4 2s are repeated term for 4 2s are 8. Then the same numbers only, the middle of the term, sum of the term is a minus 6. So 4 and 2 only coming for the term is a 2 and 4. Is a product is a plus only given and then middle of the term is a minus only given. Already you learned the product and the addition rule. Is a addition rule means same likes and given means put add the term and write the sign is a same sign only. Product means is a minus into minus equal to plus only. So product of the term is a plus and the middle of the term is a minus. So you mention both the term also minus minus. So y square, the middle of the term minus 6y is left the term minus 4y, then minus 2y plus 8. Then first two term is a constant. What is the general term? So y square minus 4y is a common term, is a y only common for both the terms. So y right in outside, remaining term is a y minus 4. This 2 also is a common term, is a minus 2 and then 8, both also divisible by 2 only. So minus 2 within bracket is a y, then 8 into table for is a 4 times only. So mention minus 4. Then multiple also the same set only, minus 2 into y equal to minus 2y. Minus 2 into minus 4 equal to minus into minus is a plus only. So 2 4s are 8. So outside term only write on the factor first one. So y then minus 2 and the next one is a repeated term is a y minus 4, only one time only write y minus 4. So y minus 2 equal to 0, then y minus 4 equal to 0. So y value, first one minus 2 change into plus sign, so y equal to 2, and then y minus 4, then y equal to 4. So y equal to 2 and then y equal to 4. We substitute the value in third equation. If y equal to 2, then x equal to 6 minus y, then x equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. And then if y equal to 4, then x equal to 6 minus y, then x equal to 6 minus 4, then x equal to 2. So x equal to 4 and then x equal to 2. Both the values are the answer for the x. X equal to 4, then x equal to 4 comma 2, and then y equal to 2 comma 4, and then z equal to 0. Today's homework, do the following question. First one, seventh question is the third one. Find the value of x, y and z. Is the first row x plus y plus z, and then second row x plus z, then y plus z equal to within bracket 9, 5, 7, and the solve the value for x, y and z. The next one is the exercise 3.16 is the fifth question. If a equal to within the bracket first row root 7 minus 3, second row minus root 5 2, third row root 3 minus 5, close the bracket. Find the transpose of minus a. First you find out the transpose a transpose, and then you find out the negatives minus a transpose.